trombone with me. Trying to keep it peaceful is a struggle for me. Don't pull up at 6 a.m. to cuddle with me.